I'm going to be building a computer with all these components. This is the motherboard. This is the front panel.
Okay.
This is a cage.
Okay.
Heatsink.
Okay.
PSU, power supply.
Okay.
This is a fan. This is the DVD drive.
Okay.
Processor.
Mhm.
RAM.
Yep.
80GB hard drive.
Okay.
And a floppy disk. I'm using an anti-static mat and wristband to stop the components getting shocked. First I'm going to put the motherboard into the case, onto the inbuilt risers and attach it using screws. I'm now going to insert the CPU and lock it down. Next I'm going to attach the heatsink. And I need to plug it in to power the fan. I've just connected in the power and the reset buttons. I'm just going to put in the front panel LEDs. And then put in the little speaker. I've just installed the cage. This holds the USB, audio, floppy disk drive, hard drive and DVD. I've just attached the cables for the LEDs for the home and reset button. I'm now just going to attach the audio and USBs. Next I'm just going to slide the PSU in place and screw it in round the back. Next I'm going to install the fan. There's a little arrow on it which shows the direction of the air, which way it should go. Next I'm going to attach this cable to the fan controller. I'm now going to insert the RAM in the correct place. I'm now going to insert the floppy disk drive.
Can't see it, don't worry.
Next I'm going to install the DVD drive. I'm now going to attach the hard drive. Next I'm going to connect the power supply to the motherboard and CPU. Next I'm going to install the hard drive, data and power cable. Next I'm going to connect the ribbon cables that connect to the floppy disk drive and the DVD drive. I'm going to attach the power and data cables to the floppy disk drive.
Go.
I've set the DVD drive to its master setting and I'm now going to plug in the power and data cables. I've just squished all of the cables down and folded them up to make them look a bit neater. I'm just going to screw two screws in at the front to secure the cage. And then I'm just going to put the front panel back on. I've just put the case lid back on and I'm just going to secure it with 2 screws. So I've set it up as a regular PC and I've installed all the regular things like a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and now I'm going to plug it in and see if it works for the first time. So I've just turned the computer on. So it appears to already have a version of Linux called Deft installed.
Ta-da!